November. First right turn on taxiway Bravo. Was waste eliminated utilizing a speed of 850 kilometers per hour and without consuming any energy. Could the waste be released in?
What you're doing is breaking it.
No,
You're not pulling it from the roots.
they still come up.
Halloween!
And offline listening.
Pisan-pisan siya. May pa-music pa. Here's for my low-carb burger. Ayan guys, yun yung buns. And I get egg in there, tomato, onion, with burger patty and lettuce. And then just do like that. Ooh. Lettuce wrap. And here's Steve's burger. Flying low on me. Guys, I am transplanting my corn seedlings up to here. Ayan, liko-liko pa. Kiwi-kiwi ba? Tapos, kabudlay man dyan lukiton na. Right there. Make sure hindi mautod ang gamot. Dinro to? Ayun. Oh, may corn Japon. But may pasok pang ako ng ano kaluoy. Na. And guys, so my corns are out. O, diba?
I didn't notice.